how you solve something like this, where they give you 3 to the power of 2x equal 9, and the question is to find the value of x. Equal. So guys, this 9 here, it's the same as this 3 to the power of 2. But remember, if you have 3 to the power of 2, that would be 3 times 3, that equal 9. See? Yeah. So we express 9 like this, so that we can make the base look the same and drop it away. Okay, 2x equal 2. We drop the bases away. Dropped it away. Drop the base. Now this look easy. Okay, 2x divided by 2. What you do on the other side, you do on the other side as well. 2 divided by 2. Here it will be equal, it will be x. 2 divided by 2, that equal 1. So the answer is 1. That is the value of x, 1. So how you solve this? First, what you need to do here, you need to put the bases the same. 8 to the power of 2x equal. How you put the bases the same? Okay, we know that 64, we can write it as is. The square root of 8, that gives you 64. So 8 to the power of 2, that gives you 64. Okay, we're doing this for one purpose, to just make the base look the same. So once the base are the same, what you do now, we can drop it away. 2x equal 2. Then you divide 2, you do on the other side as well. Let's cancel out. X equal 1. That is the final answer. Thank you. So guys, now we have 2x, 2 to the power of x minus 6 equal 1. And they ask you, find the value of x. Oh, this looks so confusing. But wait, don't panic because of 1. Remember, in algebra, if we have x to the power of 0, that will be equal to 1. Okay? Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. Yes? And here, it's simple. In order for us to get the x, we need to make the base look the same. So what we do here, 2x, 2 to the power of x minus 6 equal 2 to the power of 0. Because by making the bases looking the same, it's become easy for us, because we know that once the base looking now the same, we can just drop it away one time. So x minus 6 equal 0. Oh wow, now that's looking simple to solve. X equal 6. That is the answer. Five to the power of x equal 1 over 25. Whoa, hold on. How's this looking? That's looking so confusing. How? 1 over 25. Okay guys, hold on. Don't freak out. Do not panic. We got this under control. So what you do here, you write 5 to the power of x equal 1 over. You see 25 there at the bottom? You can express it as is. 25 over 5 to the power of 2. Okay, that is 25. Okay, so write it 5 to the power of 2. Okay, now what you do here, algebraically, do you remember that if a number is expressed like this, 5 to the power of 2, we can express it as is 5 to the power of negative 2, because the 2 swap up, okay? It swaps up and it becomes negative to the power, okay? Yeah, so that's what you do, guys. There's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to be confused. Yay. And what you do when the base is looking the same, you just drop it away. X equal negative 2. Simple. Simple, guys. Simple. Thank you. That's the answer. We move to the next one. Oh, now we have 2 to the power of x minus 1. Or 2 to the power of x equal 1 over 36. Same thing, we're just doing it over again. Okay, guys. 6 to the power of x equal 1 over 6 to the power of 2. 6 square equal 36. Okay? Yes. So what you do the same thing that I showed you. 1 over 2 to the power of 6 can be expressed as follows. 6 over 6 to the power of negative 2. Okay? 6 to the power of x equal 6 to the power of negative 2. And what you do with the base, you just drop it away, okay? X equal negative 2. Simple. Okay, guys? Simple. Simple. We move to the next one. Okay. Next one. Boom. First one looking good. How you solve this? Okay. You know that I got you. So 3 to the power of 2 bracket x minus 1 equal. So what you do, you just write it as, okay, not prime factor. 3 square equal 9. Okay, write it 3 square. Okay, yeah. Now the base are the same. Once the base looking the same, you drop it away, guys. Drop the base away. Drop it away. 2 bracket x minus 1 is equal 2. Equal 2, okay? Yeah. So this is now it looks simple to solve, okay? So what you do here, you multiply the bracket. 2 times x, it will be 2x. 2 times negative 1, it will be negative 2 equal 2. Now we have actual linear equation. So what you do here, you cross the normal numbers over there, you isolate the x, okay? So it's gonna be 2 plus 2, because remember this 2 here, we cross it over there and it's become positive 2, okay? Yeah. 2x equal 4. Equal 4. 2 divided by 2, 2x divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, x equal 2. That is the answer.